Experiment 11, mix it up. Tools needed from kit, 3 test tubes, and the little pink funnel from your kit. Water, oil, vinegar, lemon juice, dishwashing soap. Directions: just like in experiment 10, pour 5 ml of water in the test tube. Step 2, then pour the oil into the test tube until it hits the 10 ml mark. Step 3, after, pour 3 to 5 ml of vinegar into the test tube. Step 4, screw on the cap tightly. Step 5, shake the test tube hard. After we have 5 ml of water, 5 ml of oil, now we're going to add 3 ml of lemon juice. And again, you're going to put the cap on and shake the test tube. This one has vinegar, this one has lemon juice, and next we're going to do our dishwashing detergent. Here's our 5 ml of water, 5 ml of oil, and 3 ml of dishwashing soap. And shake. So we've got our vinegar, our lemon juice, and our dishwashing soap. See what happens. Use your hand guide on page 20 to write down what happened in each experiment. Did they mix or did they not mix?